We didn't even get a chance at first to look into it, because Sid sort of interrupted our investigation with a wild stunt to get some attention.
Sid, not Sig. Sig's from Jack and Dexter. Sid's here for my sage. Do this level right now, and I finish this set for today. No! Here's nothing, dude. Scored 7,000 points to impress the girls. Can I do the same to impress my girlfriend? Oh great, you can use the directional buttons, that's amazing. Can control much better. It's the beginning and I already have 2,000. Dang it. Get it! Whee! This is the Eviscerator. What? From Ratchet Deadlocked? No. Whoa! Perfect, baby!
I'm really good.
Yeah, I know you are. Everybody has their mistakes, right? Let's do it perfect again. Yes. Not perfect at all. No. Oh. Well, I can control this like I controlled it when I was 7, 8? Nah, 8 years old and 7 years old. Amazing, bro. Not that good, but it's also good. Yeah, he also wants to say that he wants 100,000 likes on Facebook. Hi, sup, bro? I mean, sup, sis? You know, hey, mate. Australian. Well, a lot of points, eh?
Now that was impressive.
Couldn't have done it better myself.
You know, Sid, I think you've proven yourself.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I know I'm the man. And I'm gonna play Ratchet Deadlocked.
After we all survived Sid's little stunt, we found out Fast Tony's story was true. The ice was melting, and the glacier protecting our valley home was about to break apart. We went back to warn everyone, but it was still a tough story to sell. Luckily, the story was backed up by some of our feathered friends who were kind of looking forward to the impending disaster, as it meant they might have quite a feast. There was a way out, though. A large boat formed from a dead tree at the other end of the valley could carry us all to safety.
Thank God. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for the second set of this game. And also for episode 9. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya. You want to see spoilers for the level?